What's going on, everybody? My name's Scott Wright. This is my entry for the deboss Garage Quarantine Car Show. I've got these two Broncos. Let's have a look around them. First, I'll show you my 96 Bronco. I bought this back in 2013, I think. Got the 5.8 K&N air filter. Pretty stock in the engine compartment. New core support. Painted the hinges where they came off when I did all that. Probably wouldn't do that again. When I got this truck, I started out with a stock Bronco. Bought these sweet 33s that didn't fit, so I had to hog out the front of the bumper. Not long after, I got this 6-inch rough country lift kit. Upgraded to different shock sense. Lately been working on these floor pans and rocker panels, teaching myself how to weld and form metal. I have a bead roller. Not that I know how to use it, but made some beads. Made some floor pan. Used to be all kinds of rust. Now it's just a bunch of welds that need grinded down. Getting pretty busy on this quarter panel until I discovered all this rust back here. Now I think I need a new quarter panel. Maybe I just need more inspiration. I don't know. Made a lot of pieces back here to patch this all back together. Again, I'm not big on grinding yet. A little bit of frame repair there where the body mount sits. And this side's a little worse. This side's patched up pretty good. A little more welding to do and some grinding. Got a scribe line here, 3.5 inches from where this panel ends. So I only got that much to fill in. So yeah, just working on the old Bronco. Another patch on this side. I had to do the cab support brackets on this truck. It's my first time. Trial by fire. Seems to be going well. Again, cut out bumper. That's rusty. I've also got this 66 Bronco. This was my dad's truck. He bought it back in 93 or 94, 95. It was a run and driving truck for 350 bucks. Said to be used on a sawmill for plowing sawdust. It's a straight 6, 170. Just got her running the other day. Found this carburetor in the truck. Swapped out the coil, also found in the truck. Fresh battery. Runs and drives in the yard. Does have a updated dual master cylinder. My dad put that on. I remember that. But it's pretty mint. Needs a little buffing out. Quarter panels have got some cancer, but that's alright. Inside, she's rough. Got a bench seat out of the 3rd row of a Ford Excursion Fits pretty close. It's a little on the skinny side. 3 on the tree, manual steering, manual brakes, drum brakes all the way around. That's how they did it back then. I don't even think it had seat belts from the factory. She's pretty rough. She'll buff out though. A little rust back here and a little over there and a little more everywhere you look, but it'll all come together. So yeah, that's my Bronco collection. And again, my name's Scott Wright. This is my submission.